Hi, I'm Naomi, and today I'll show you how to edit the design and text on your Paperless Post invitation. Once you've selected an invitation design for your event, customize it to suit your needs using our intuitive editing tools. Start by clicking on one of the text boxes on your invitation and add your event details by simply typing them directly into the selected box. Then, edit your text font by selecting one of our text style options on the left-hand menu. Choose from one of our featured fonts or click See More Text Styles to view more options. You can even select one of our magic fonts for added flair. Next, use the menu options to play with your text size, spacing, line height, alignment, and letter casing until everything looks just right. Further adjust the size and format of your text box by selecting and dragging the corner or side edge of the text box to your liking. If you'd like to move the text placement on your invitation, select the text box and drag it around to view helpful guiding lines that will show you when your text is aligned with the invitation's other elements or when it's perfectly centered on your invitation. Then, change the color of your text by hovering over Fill and selecting one of our color options. You can also opt to choose a custom color by inputting a specific hex code or using our color picker tool. If you want to add an outline or border to your text, select Stroke from the left-hand menu. Choose a border color and click the plus or minus to adjust the outline's density. Toggle transparent text on or off to add or remove the fill color. Include more event details in additional text boxes by clicking Add Text and follow the same steps to adjust the text style and formatting as desired. Further personalize your invitation by adding stickers. Select Stickers on the left-hand menu to browse from our image options, or upload your own for a truly customized feel. Click and drag to resize and adjust the placement of your sticker, and change the color to complement your invitation design. To adjust the opacity of a text box or sticker, click on the element you want to edit and select Blend Mode from the floating menu. Use the sliding scale to play with the opacity or choose a preset blend mode style from the drop-down menu, which will change the contrast and brightness of your sticker or text. Click Reset to undo your adjustments and start over. Once your invitation design is complete, click Backdrop on the left-hand menu to select a background that your invitation will sit on top of. Choose from our curated options, upload your own image, or select the white square to remove the backdrop entirely. Then, click on your envelope to choose from our envelope design options, filtering by your preferred color if you like. After you've selected an envelope, click either the interior of your envelope or Liner on the left-hand menu to select your envelope liner from a variety of colors and patterns. You can also opt to remove the envelope by selecting More and then Remove Envelope. Once everything looks perfect, click Next in the top right corner to start customizing your event page and inviting guests. Have a question about editing your invitation's text and design? Feel free to contact our customer operations team. See you next time.